Hey guys, William Brant here. I just wanted to leave a quick testimonial for Rachel S. Lee and the Daily Commission Club, who gave me this awesome mug, by the way. I just, I was initially drawn to the group, and it's more than just a group, it's actually a coaching program, but beyond that, it's a group of other people, which is what drew me into it. The fact that it's not just me and Rachel in the group, it's other marketers that are where I'm at, trying to do the same thing as I am. People that know a lot more than me, people that know less than me, but we all work together. We all help each other out. The accountability that I get with with her coaching program is more than I've seen in anything else. You can buy programs, you can buy training, but you don't get that one-on-one assistance. You don't get that group culture of people helping everybody help each other. So being in the group is a massive benefit beyond just the training. You can get training anywhere, but you can't get the help and the support of the entire group anywhere else. So I highly recommend checking out Daily Commission Club, and I hope to see you in there.